Hey there, I'm Angela Sharp, and welcome to the Daily Mix. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. I woke up on a Sunday morning, and the temperature in my house was just getting hotter and hotter. I realized my air conditioning had stopped working, but luckily I had a friend over, and he was able to kind of fix it. And when I woke up this morning, it was 67 degrees in my house, so I'm very happy, especially as I know that this week is going to be a super, super hot week. So that is a good thing. So hopefully you're enjoying the summer weather. I also got to check out Cruise in Limburg this past weekend, which is awesome cars. And you know I love cars. And speaking of cars, my guest today on the show is Derrick Walker. You know him from rides in school supplies. He's going to be here to talk about his car show. It's not just a car show, though. The car show is the part that I always focus on, but he gives away backpacks and haircuts and scholarships. He is going to tell us all about it and that much more. So let's get started on today's Daily Mix. Did you know it's National Moth Week? Apparently they have a week. Every year during the last week of July, communities from around the globe come together to celebrate the beauty, I'm questioning that, diversity and importance of moths. Now, all week long, the Butterfly House will be celebrating by teaching visitors about the life cycles and habitats of moths in Missouri. On Saturday and Sunday, community partners will join them to showcase moth conservation efforts in our area. When I see a moth, I'm not that excited, you guys, but I'm excited people are excited about that. If you are one of those people, or you want to learn more about this and other upcoming events, you can visit butterflyhouse.org. The Purina Incredible Dog Team just kicked off a new residency at St. Louis Union Station for the summer. The team, which is made up of more than 20 talented dogs and 2 trainers, will entertain audiences every Thursday through Sunday through September 28th. The free shows will take place each day at 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. on the Purina Performance Plaza near the St. Louis Wheel Park. You can find a full schedule of events and the latest on Purina Farms at purinafarms.com. The a cappella group Straight No Chaser is coming back to St. Louis with the Summer the 90s Part 2 tour. The show will feature classic 90s hits like Lisa Loeb's Stay, Everybody by the Backstreet Boys, Linger from the Cranberries, and many more, all with their own unique twist. Straight No Chaser will be at the Factory at the District on Tuesday, July 29th. For tickets and more information, visit Ticketmaster on thefactorystl.com. And later next week, Mr. Blue Sky will be hitting the stage at the Chesterfield Amphitheatre. The popular Electric Light Orchestra tribute band was voted Best Cover Band in 2023 in St. Louis Magazine's A-List and features ELO hits from the 70s, 80s, and more recent. The music, plus a stellar light and multimedia stage show, makes it the ultimate ELO experience. You can catch Mr. Blue Sky with special guest Wrath of Khan next Friday, August 1st. You can find tickets and all the details at MrBlueSkyMusic.com. And of course, that definitive U.S. Pink Floyd tribute band, Monstero, is gearing up for their annual summer show, which will feature rock legends Blue Öyster Cult. Monstero is known for delivering a spectacular show. I have seen it once. It is amazing. They've got pyro, they've got aerial artists, fireworks, and so much more. There's a lot going on besides the music, but the music is also great. Now, the band mainly focuses on the Gilmore Waters era of Pink Floyd, but also covers music recorded before and after that time. Monstero and Blue Öyster Cult will play at Hollywood Casino Amphitheatre next Saturday, August 2nd. Visit lmonstero.com. redcrossblood.com for tickets and more information. Now this summer, the American Red Cross is asking anyone who can to give blood or platelets to keep the blood supply strong. Summer challenges from severe weather to vacations can quickly cause reserves to drop. Obviously, type O blood products are the most needed, but all blood is welcome. Now, if you're not sure what your blood type is, you can learn it after donating, which is a fun fact. That way they will tell you what you have so you can know. Now, as a special thanks for all who come out through the end of July, the Red Cross will say thanks with a Fandango movie reward via email. You can visit redcrossblood.org/July for all the details and to make an appointment. And if you're looking for a movie to use that gift on, how about this movie, Oh Hi? Now, I'm gonna tell you about this movie as best I can on a very public platform. It's a very great movie. I laughed at it, but I think it's very adult content, right? You remember when you were dating and you would date the guy that you thought you were in a serious relationship, but maybe he didn't, and then things go off haywire? Well, things go really off haywire. Check this out.
Oh my God, Isaac, this is so nice.
I just didn't expect this.
Dinner's ready. Expect what?
For it to feel this easy. Our first trip as a couple.
I think you're great. I'm just not really looking for a relationship right now.
Are you joking?
No.
Why would you bring me here? Why would you spend all day acting like my boyfriend?
You're being kind of crazy right now.
I'm being crazy?
Mom, Isaac, he doesn't want to be in a relationship.
Sometimes men don't know what's best for them.
What if you give me 12 hours to show you, does he not like French toast? What we could be together. No, he got French toast.
Oh, hi.
I did something bad.
Where's Isaac? Let me ask Kenny.
No, you can't call Kenny. No one else can know.
Sorry to interrupt. I was just pretty scary out there alone.
Help!
You made me like you.
I'm not trying to make you anything.
You made me scallops. Isaac!
We're all going to jail.
Ow. Ow, it's stinging. It's burning.
Yeah, sometimes things that hurt are good for us.
I thought it was a pretty funny movie. Obviously, we had to chop up that trailer a little bit just so we could show it to you, but it was good. Now look, by the magic of television, Derrick Walker is joining me. Thanks so much for being here.
Thanks so much for having me. For the third time, I think.
I think so. I love having you on here. Now, I first met you when you were doing some stuff with the NASCAR, which is pretty cool. But rides and school supplies,
yes,
is it its 7th year?
7th year. 7th year, year 7.
That is crazy to me.
It's a blessing for sure. It's a blessing.
We talked about it before we even got out here. A car show alone, and I've helped some people organize their car shows, that is an unbelievable amount of work.
It's a tall task.
You're not just doing a car show. So what else are you doing?
So on top of that, my biggest and favorite thing about the annual Charity Car and Bike Show is the scholarship. So we're giving away $10,000 in scholarship to local youth. So it is in just the metropolitan area. We're giving away about a little over 10,000 to roughly 7 or 8 scholarship recipients. We finished our readings today, so that's always my biggest part. We're giving away backpacks full of school supplies. We're giving away free haircuts. We have STEM projects hosted there. We have food trucks there. We have vendors there. So it's just really a lot going on. So one, a show using the cars and bikes for inspiration and motivation for the kids, but then as well, we have inspiration and motivation when it comes to the resources there. And just great energy, love.
I mean, you can tell when you walk into a room, you have that energy. You kind of exude that great energy.
It means the world.
Why did you want to start this 7 years ago?
So I was always motivated. I'm a young cat that was always motivated. My parents, my mom, my dad always kind of put something in front of me and kind of said, go get it. And when I became a teenager, it was cars. I always loved cars, and my mom and dad always instilled in me, hey, you work hard, you can get what you want. Work hard, stay dedicated. So I just had a little motivation, and I realized how far motivation can take you. So I wanted to do the same thing for the community around me, right? I'm a kid, North St. Louis, born and raised, and motivation could come easy, it could come hard. I had it right at my doorstep. So I want to try to do the same thing for others that motivated me.
So you're raising money all year long for these
Yes.
scholarships and backpacks.
Yep.
What are some of the things you're doing to raise that money?
One, we have some amazing sponsors that we try to make sure that our programming and our events are aligned to their key initiatives. So easily said, our biggest sponsor is NASCAR. So this annual charity car and bike show is powered by NASCAR for the 5th time.
Yes.
We have programming like our automotive symposium that teaches kids the basics of automotive, so tire changes, oil changes, inspections, things like that.
People don't realize that can come in really handy because
Yes.
if I have to, when I have to, because I do, pay someone else to do it when my dad is unavailable.
Yeah.
That can be a hefty fee. So
Yes.
if you can teach kids how to do that
Yeah.
at a young age,
Yeah.
that can help them, even if they don't get into the classic car
Yeah,
scene.
Absolutely. I mean, you get these people and these kids, specifically these young men that say, hey, I feel like I can help my mom if she gets stuck on the side of the road right now, right? So those things not only give them the education and exposure, not only give them the education, it gives them the exposure to automotive in general. So we're trying to teach these kids, hey, you can race. Right? You can be a mechanic, you can be an engineer. There's so many things. We just want to get you a foot in the door when it comes to automotive. And then, when NASCAR comes, we get that group tickets and kind of put everything together.
You guys do something pretty special at the NASCAR. So let's talk about what you do there.
Absolutely. So this will be our 3rd time. We do a auto show called Fuel Your Dreams Auto Show. So staying aligned with the motivation. We're trying to fuel the dreams of not only the kids, but everybody who's in the automotive. So we host a car show that is at the track during Saturday's race. It was the truck race last year. This year it'll be the Xfinity race that'll be on Saturday.
Yeah.
So live during that, we'll be hosting the show. Registrants will get tickets to the show. Them and their passengers will get tickets to the show. And it's just, I mean, if you love cars, having a car show during NASCAR weekend at the track, you get access to everything around. I haven't seen anything like it. I could be biased.
No, I haven't seen anything like it, and that's also my world. So it's pretty great. It's a pretty fantastic thing.
It's amazing.
Now, I know you've picked the scholarship winners. Do they know yet?
Well, so we pick them tomorrow at our meeting. So we just finished reading the essays. We read our essays on Scholarship Central. So our team had a deadline of last night to get them in. I have a really, really good candidate, but you put them all in front of everybody and we all discuss it. But that's probably one of my best things, to just see the ambition of these kids and just be able to give them a little bit of motivation, a little push, a little financial push.
So these ones don't know for this year.
They don't know yet.
So what are some of the reactions in the past years when you tell someone they've got a little bit of scholarship?
We have gotten tears, right? So return tears, because you got people that may cry while we're reading these scholarships. And this year, we did a video application. So we got to see these kids' emotions face to face. So kids cry, kids say, hey, can I tell all of my friends? Can I invite my family? Which is always a yes. It's just, we get reassurance of why we do it, really, because we get to see, hey, not only at the show, but testimonies of these kids that have gotten these scholarships in the previous years come back and say, hey, you've helped change my life, right? We're not doing the big gesture. We're just a small part, and hopefully that financial support as well as some motivation can kick them off for the school year.
Fantastic.
Absolutely.
So the scholarship winners will be picked, but what about the backpacks? How do you distribute those?
Come one, come all. First come, first serve. We're stuffing on July 30th. For August 2nd, we're filling up the backpacks. JanSport gave us a huge donation of backpacks, so we're touching about 1,000 backpacks this year, in addition to some other support groups that we've had to reach that 1,000 backpack mark. We have some Eastpak lunch boxes as well that really look like backpacks, really cool features to it. But yeah, we're filling them with school supplies. So if you can make it on August 2nd, please get there. We'd love to have you, your family, your friends out. Come get this motivation, get this love, get these resources. It's been a good thing going for 7 years straight. We're so blessed to be here today.
I mean, I don't feel like we have enough time to kind of touch on everything you're doing at this event.
I have to come back.
Which is why I want you to come on every year, because I feel like we get something a little bit new. But there's also haircuts, and I don't want to miss the haircuts.
Yes. So I have a cousin that cuts. I have 2 cousins that are actually cutting this year. And I think we have a couple more, but I can only confirm 2. But the kids come. They get dropped off at the barbershop experience is what we call it. They have mentors around that can kind of have conversations with them just like it's, your everyday barbershop experience. They get free haircuts from, in my opinion, some of the top barbers around.
Yeah.
And they get sent off to school looking fresh, feeling fresh, enthused, energetic. Those things are so important because school is tough.
Yeah.
School is tough, and any kind of motivation that you can get to step in school with good energy and willing to learn and willing to be inspired and willing to be taught, we just want to do whatever we can, and we hope that kids, if it's not the haircuts, the resources, the cars, the people there, some way, shape, form, or fashion, we can motivate you at Rising School Supplies.
I love that. And you said looking fresh,
Yep.
new backpack,
Yep.
got school supplies.
Yep.
You've taken away some of the pressures
Yes.
of that first day of school.
Yes. Yes.
Take
Now,
it-
if you're not a morning person, you don't like getting up, I don't know, we can't do nothing for you. But
right. That's me. That is me. I am those people. But you kind of help give them that
Yeah.
jump on
Yeah.
that day because, like you said, school can be rough. Now, I know a lot of kids that are super outgoing. They're going to love to chit chat with you guys. But are a lot of the people kind of working this event like you very outgoing that you can draw in that
Yes.
shy kid
Yeah,
too?
And we have an amazing team. My team, I represent my team, and my team represents me and the mission that this organization have, which is just being infectious with love and motivation and good energy. So whether if it's me, my mom's on my team, my wife's on my team, we're really a team full of family and friends. So we all kind of have the same positive energy. Yep, you can get this from anybody on my team.
I love that. So
Yeah.
that if you got a shy kid,
Yeah.
feel free to bring him or her out because you guys will bring out that information.
We got the charisma to loosen any tough image or hesitation that you may have to come on around and have some fun.
I love it. Like I said,
Yeah.
there's not enough time in the day. We're going to put a full screen graphic up
Okay,
so people can
cool.
jot down this information. Maybe take out your phone and take a photo of this full screen so you know what's going on. When is the event?
It is next Saturday.
It's coming up.
It's crazy enough, it's next Saturday, August 2nd at the O'Fallon Park YMCA, 4343 West Florissant, I believe that address
Yeah.
is. It's from 12 to 4. Please, please, please come. We'd love to have you.
Gotta have you. You can see it right there on your screen. Powered by NASCAR, of course.
Powered by NASCAR. How could I forget our amazing partners at NASCAR? Shout out to Brandon Thompson. I know you'll be watching this.
Absolutely. Well, thank you again so much.
Thank
Like
you
I
so
said,
much.
You can't find out enough information just from this show. You guys have a Facebook page.
Thank you. We have a Facebook page, Instagram page, YouTube, at Rising School Supplies. All together. You can find us at those places. Please, 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 please feel free to engage, like, comment, share, give us feedback. We love to engage with you.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for coming on
Thank you
today.
so much. It's always a good time.
I love seeing you.
It's
I
always
love
a good
seeing
time.
you
Thank you
here.
so much. Thank you.
That's going to do it for this episode of The Daily Mix. But of course, we want to hear from you. You can follow us also on our social media channels. We've got Facebook, X, Instagram, the whole nine. Let us know who you want to see on the show. And then don't forget to download the STL TV Now app and stream us at home or on the go. That's going to do it for The Mix. We keep it right here on STL TV and Experience St. Louis. I'll see you next time.